Isang napakalaki at malawakang performance, dynamic live performance at full of energy ng SB19 of course sa Santa Monica Beach, US of A. Handog sa inyo ng Wish USA. Pack your beach gear and get ready for a splash. The Wish USA bus is stopping by Santa Monica Beach for SB19 newest Wish-exclusive performance and you won't want to miss it. O diba? Catch the stopover session this Monday, July 14, 7 p.m. Yes po, stopover session ng Wish USA. Napakalaking stopover session with SB19 of course. Again, sa Santa Monica Beach, SB19, July 14. Stopover session, kaya malapit na po yan. Tiyak at sigurado ito ay dadagsain ng USA 18 at Pinoy 18 sa Amerika. Kaya naman good luck boys at dynamic live performance, full of energy at powerful voice just for the fans and 18.